were thrown out of the school. Those who were Jews, those who were physically handicapped or mentally retarded or gypsies. Okay, this was another race of human. All these were thrown out of the schools, means they were asked to leave the school. And finally, uh, in 1940, they were taken to the gas chambers. And then after all those who were thrown out of the school, all those children were sent to the gas chambers for their final elimination. Then after what he did, so then good German children were subjected to a process of Nazi schooling, a prolonged period of ideological training. Those who were the good German children, means physically they were strong, mentally they were sharp or intelligent and fit. They were sent for Nazi schooling uh, for their ideological training. The school textbooks were rewritten. All the school textbooks were rewritten. Then, after racial science was introduced to justify Nazi ideas of race. Um, and racial science, it was a new kind of science which was introduced. Why it was introduced? To justify Nazi ideas of race, means whatever they were doing, uh, this for their justification, means to justify their act, whatever the act, inhuman act they were doing in Germany. Then after, stereotypes about Jews were popularized even through maths classes. All those Jews were stereotyped. They were considered the usurers or the killers of the Jesus Christ. This idea was popularized. Uh, how it was popularized? Through math classes. Children were taught to be loyal and submissive. Okay, all the children were taught that they should be loyal to whom? For the Aryans, to be Nazis, and submissive. To mix up submissive, hate Jews, किसको ज्यू हेट करना है? ज्यूज को करना है. किसको वर्शिप करना है? वर्शिप हिटलर. Children were taught to be loyal to the Nazis or the Hitler. They were taught to hate Jews. They were taught to worship to Hitler. Even the function of sport was to nurture a spirit of violence and aggression among children. Yes, sport was considered one of the important and compulsory subject in school curriculum, and it was said that only this subject can nurture a spirit of violence and aggression among the children, means can make them strong physically, emotionally, and mentally. Then it was the idea of the Hitler that boxing could make children iron-hearted, strong, and masculine. Yes, boxing was included one of the important sports in school curriculum, because according to Hitler, it only this game can make the children iron-hearted, strong, and masculine. Okay, all the masculine uh, habits can be inculcated in children. Okay, basically young boys. Then after, what other steps he took? Youth organizations were made responsible for educating German youth in the spirit of National Socialism. Yes, special German youth organizations organized, and which were made responsible for educating German youth uh, in spirit of National Socialism. Okay, to inculcate this spirit among the children by providing them training. For this purpose, 10-year-olds had to enter Jung Walk, a special youth organization for young children. It was established or organized or formed. This young youth organization was known as Jung Walk, and only 10-year-old boy had to enter in this Jung Walk. At the 14, all boys had to join the Nazi youth organization, Hitler Youth. Okay, when they were completing their age of 14, all the boys were sent to the Nazi youth organization. This was Hitler Youth. In this Hitler Youth, they had to learn worship war, वॉर को वर्शिप करना, ग्लोरीफाई अग्रेशन, गुस्से को, क्रोध को ग्लोरीफाई करना, एंड वायलेंस. ओके. Condemn democracy. They were also taught to condemn or criticize democracy. They were taught to hate Jews, communists, gypsies, and all those who were categorized as undesirable. Means in this Hitler youth, the children were taught to worship war, glorify aggression and violence, condemn democracy, and hate Jews, communists, gypsies, and all undesirable categories. After a period of rigorous ideological and physical training, they joined the labor service. Uh, they were trained, and further they had to join labor service. Usually, at the age of 18. This labor service they had to join at the age of 18.